program. Click the toolbox, click the auto hide so that we can easily drag any button we want. We choose the label, not yet, the data grid view, that we then check like that. Click this and uncheck the enable adding and enable deleting. Click the add column, rename it by name, add, then we add another 2 for columns for address, like that. Click add and close, and expand it like that. Then we choose another form, the group. Where is the group box? There we go. Like that. You can also rename the group box by clicking the properties. Then text by person profile. Then drag the label to label, one for name and one for address. Also, we drag the text box. Where's the text box? Text box. There we go. Text box and text box. We can rename this my name. Then address, and this one properties, this txt name, and this one for txt address, like that. Expand it. Like that. Also, we can rename the form and auto by person form, and here it is. Our design is finished. So that's it. Thank you.